This is the AC Hotel in Washington, D.C. Convention Center. I want to walk you through so that if you're deciding where to stay in Washington, D.C., you can make a choice. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll notice is this. Okay, every room is equipped with an in-room coffee machine. I tried it. It was actually pretty good. That surprised me a little because some of these in-room coffee setups in hotels might not be the best. This one passed muster. Just underneath the coffee setup, you'll find an accessible refrigerator. Now, the reason why I'm saying accessible is because some hotels have mini bars that stock the refrigerator to the point where they're inaccessible. Since this is a convention center hotel, that's a nice feature because any of the food that you get from the convention, you could drop in there. It's nice. Let's look at the bedding and the room setup. It's a typical hotel setup. This is a 2 double bed room. The theme of the AC Hotel, if I had to describe it, would be modern minimalist. The lines are very clean. There's not a lot of excess decor, but it all somehow pulls together really nicely. Now, I want to show you something over here. This room was actually an upgraded room. I didn't realize this until I talked to some of the other individuals that were staying here. At the far side of the room, you'll find this bump out, totally glass enclosed corridor. Only rooms on the lower floors seem to have this feature. It was interesting that these little bump outs were all very much used. When you peek out in the morning, you'd see a lot of individuals just chilling out on their sofas. Okay, I'm going to make my way over to the front door so you can get an idea of what the security situation looks like in terms of clasping the front door. Again, this room was one of the lower floors. In fact, it was featured on the second floor of the hotel. All the floors required a key for activation of the elevator, so no one could just walk in and get in. Instead of a chain, the room was equipped with a solid flapper. I like that. Last thing we'll look at is the toiletries and bathroom. You'll see here that the slick modern lines are the theme of the day. The toiletries were Coors. That's a high-end brand that were really enjoyable and smelled outstanding. A really nice design touch was the placement of the valves in the shower. They were away from the shower head, which meant you could turn things on without getting scalded and test it. Okay, location. It's convenient to the convention center. Beyond that, it's about a 20-minute walk to either the National Mall or the White House. If you need a solid option, this might not be a bad one. It was clean. You can clearly see that everything looks new, fresh, and well appointed. I'm just going to go ahead and pop out into the hall so you can get a final look at how things look down the hallway. So that's the AC Hotel Convention Center, Washington, D.C. Let me know what you think. If you have any thoughts about the AC Hotel in Washington, let me know in the comments. If you thought the review was useful, drop a like. And thanks for stopping by.